Mr. Ankit Tiwari, there's a particular question for you I'd like to ask you. आप हमेशा ही बहुत ही यूनिक compositions देते हैं. What was your thought process behind Katra song? Tell me.
Uh, Hi, good evening everyone. Uh, कतरा के पीछे एक्चुअली बहुत से गाने हैं जो म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर जैसे एज अ कंपोज़र अगर मैं बात करूँ तो बहुत से गाने ऐसे ही बनते हैं जो हम ऑलरेडी बैंक में बना के रखते हैं अपने लिए। लेकिन कतरा गाने की नरेशन बहुत अच्छी थी। भूषण जी, कुमार सर, ये मुझे बुलाया था फ़ोन करके और मुझे इस गाने के बारे में बताया था कि कैसा गाना चाहिए, गाने में क्या हो रहा है, स्क्रीन पे क्या देखने वाले हैं हम लोग। तो वैसा ही कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा था और बस इसका मैं एक्चुअली क्रेडिट देना चाहूँगा। इट्स अ टीम वर्क गाइस, और मुझे भी कभी ना कभी किसी ने ब्रेक दिया और बहुत खुशी मिलती है कि जब एज अ म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर या एज अ सिंगर हम जैसे आर्टिस्टों को ब्रेक मिलता है। तो इस गाने में मेरे साथ जो भी लेफ्ट राइट में खड़े हैं दोनों एकदम फ्रेश टैलेंट हैं। अभेंद्र जिन्होंने गाना लिखा है तो प्लीज़ उनके लिए ताली बजाइए। और प्रकृति कक्कर फीमेल वोकल, इन्होंने डेब्यू किया है इस फिल्म के साथ, एलियन के साथ। सो
Congratulations.
थैंक यू।
ये ओवरऑल जो साथ में काम करने का इम्पैक्ट आता है, इसका ये यही रिजल्ट है।
But एक question हम सबके दिमाग में ज़रूर होगा that this particular song is quite erotic one, don't you think? Yeah, erotic one.
मैं वही बोला, नरेशन
बहुत sensuous है.
भूषण जी को पूछो।
What made you think so?
यार ये इसका, हाँ एग्जैक्टली मुझे ऐसा बताया गया था कि
Erotic and sensuous
यस,
one.
तो विपाशा मैम इज देयर एंड इस तरह के कुछ सीन्स जो मुझे जिस तरह से मुझे बताया गया था, सो आइडिया
And
आया।
this is why it is such a hit. Come on.
थैंक यू सो
Thank you.
मच।
Thank you for such a lovely composition. What would you like to say about it?
Hello. Hello.
हेलो।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मुझे जब अंकित भाई ने बुलाया था कि एक सेंसुअल सॉन्ग करना है, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने पहले लिरिक्स दिया था, इसके बाद इन्होंने कंपोजिशन किया था। मैं अंकित भाई को, भूषण सर को, कुमार मंगल सर को, थैंक्स टू विपाशा मैम, सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। इसमें जितने लोग भी थे, ये टीम वर्क है। ये मेरी पहला सॉन्ग था जिसने मेरे ख्याल से इतने सारे व्यूज यूट्यूब पे इतना ज़्यादा उठा, मेरे लिए बहुत ग्रेट, बहुत बहुत बहुत।
कम ऑन गाइस, ताली।
Prakriti, how about you?
Good evening, everybody. And I just feel so privileged and just so humbled to have debuted with this beautiful song. And Ankit knows when I heard the song for the first time, I instantly fell in love with it, so much so that I wanted to make it mine. And I really wanted to do a good job. And बहुत time ऐसे भी होता है कि आप scratch गाते हो, and that doesn't have to mean that you'll sing the final song. But for me, it just happened. And thank you for believing in me and believing in my voice. And of course, thank you to Bipasha and Karan for just being ever so sizzling and embracing the song with their awesome chemistry. I think everybody should give it up for them, because that's one of the biggest reasons for the number of views that we've got, and I couldn't have asked for more.
एक्चुअली मेरे लिए इस फिल्म में खुशी की बात ये है कि आशिकी के बाद हम लोग जीत दादा एंड मिथुन साथ में मिले बहुत दिनों बाद। थैंक यू सर, कहाँ के सर, थैंक यू सो मच कि हम लोगों को फिर से इकट्ठा किया। और सबका मैं तहे दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा। भूषण सर आपका, जीत दादा आपका, मिथुन जी आपका, कुमार सर आपका, अभिषेक आपका, विपाशा मैम हाय, हाँ हाय मैम, करण हाय आपका भी, और ऑफ कोर्स भूषण जी, भूषण कुमार जी, जिनके वजह से ये गाना आप लोगों तक पहुंच पाया है। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
एक मिनट अंकित जी, तालियों से और ये थैंक यू से बिल्कुल काम नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि आप सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं। आई एम श्योर एवरीवन वांट टू लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग, द सेम सॉन्ग।
वेरी गुड एक्चुअली। अच्छा,
दो लाइनें भी मिल जाए तो
तुम्हारे पार्ट ज्यादा है, तुम गाओ।
That makes me nervous or excited. I'm a little confused, but I'll just sing, and everybody who knows it should sing along. इस तरह से खुद से या मुझको जोड़ तू, मुझ में ना मुझको छोड़ तू, ना याद तेरी तुझको, ना याद मुझे हूँ मैं, आ मुझको पहन ले तू, तुझको ओढ़ लूँ मैं।
कतरा कतरा मैं गिरूं, जिस्म पे तेरे ठहरूं, कतरा कतरा मैं गिरूं, तुझ में ही कहीं रह लूं। Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you, thank you. This could not get as better as this.
Thank you. You're
Wish
very
you
sweet.
a very, very bright future. Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks.
Thank you. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, everyone out here, let me tell you, there's a surprise for you. We have yet another 3 songs that are very outstanding tracks. But the surprise is that you are one of those lucky people who will be watching these songs for the very first time. Yes. So the very first one coming up is the song Avara, which is composed by the very renowned artist. He's the music director, Mr. Mithun. The song is sung by Altamash Faridi and Saim Bhatt. So can we please have the...
कि कुमार मंगत साहब एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करने जा रहे हैं और भूषण पटेल जी इज गोना बी डायरेक्टिंग इट एंड आई वांट यू टू डू वन सॉन्ग। और मैं हमेशा एक ब्रीफ पे काम करना पसंद करता हूँ और व्हेन आई मेट मिस्टर भूषण पटेल ही टोल्ड मी कि द सिचुएशन इज दिस कि आमतौर से हम सब रेजोल्यूशंस लेते हैं, अब न्यू ईयर भी आ रहा है तो उसी तरीके से रेजोल्यूशंस लेते हैं कि हम शायद कुछ करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, तो लेकिन फिर उस पर हम उस रेजोल्यूशन पे रुक नहीं पाते। तो उसी तरह ये जो सिचुएशन वाज समथिंग लाइक दैट कि एक आदमी वाइल राइटिंग थॉट प्रोसेस ये था, एक फैसला लेता है कि शायद ही विल नॉट फॉल इन लव अगेन, वो दोबारा नहीं करेगा वो, बट देन फिर से उसी गली में वो दाखिलात ले लेता है एंड इट जस्ट हैपेंस। एंड कमिंग बैक टू द स्टोरी ऑफ द फिल्म, इट वाज हर रिलेशनशिप जो है वो अच्छे बुरे वक्त से गुजरता है एंड ऑल रिलेशनशिप काउंसलर्स यही कहते हैं कि यू हैव टू कीप वर्किंग एट इट, यू नो, हर चीज़ किसी भी चीज़ की कामयाबी के लिए यू हैव टू कीप वर्किंग एट इट। एंड दिस सॉन्ग इन द फिल्म, एज Mr. Bhushan Patel told me, is Karan and Bipasha working back on the relationship, as I was told, and कि let's go back to the beginning. जब किसी भी ताल्लुकात में कोई बुरा मौसम अगर आए तो get the basics right, let's go back to the beginning. इसलिए गाना लिखा है कि फिर से वही दिल ले आया मुझे, है बस जहाँ तेरी मेरी वफा, कहता है ये इश्क की राह से फिर एक दफ़ा हम गुजर ले ज़रा, पास लाया तेरे यूँ सताया मुझे, फिर तेरे लिए मजबूर किया, आवारा आवारा दिल आवारा हुआ।
Beautiful, beautiful. Valid, completely valid. So are you happy with the success of the music that is already launched?
I was
People are
not too
loving
happy
it.
with the way the song was played. There was too much of fluctuation in the level. But it's just a teaser right now. But the song's yet to come out, and Katra is sounding very good. मैंने सुना Ankit is always touching hearts. But I'm looking forward, you know, for this film. And the song is very close to my heart. And again, as Ankit also touched, I'm very glad to be working with two newcomer vocalists, Altamash Faridi and Saim Bhatt. They've sung the song. Please, इनके लिए आप ताली बजाएं.
Thank you.
Mr. Saim Bhatt, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I'm happy to work with Mithun. Yeah.
What about you?
Thanks
Happy?
Mithun भैया and Naresh uncle and पूरी team. और
Altamash गा के सुना दो मुकरा.
आप
Let them.
थैंक्स क्यों बोलते हैं? थैंक्स क्यों बोलते? सीधा गाना गा दीजिए.
जी आपने बोला नहीं तो फिर
एक
एक दफा
हम
गुजर ले जरा, पास लाया तेरे, यूं सताया मुझे, फिर तेरे लिए मजबूर किया, मजबूर किया। हो आवारा 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 आवारा, दिल आवारा हुआ, आवारा 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 आवारा, दिल आवारा हुआ।
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you,
joining
thank you.
us. Thank you.
A new singer can't ask for a better break than singing a song for Jeet Ganguly. So I'm
एक
amazed.
छोटी सी बात, और मेरे पूरे करियर में ये पहला गाना है जिसमें रिकॉर्डिंग में भी 2 लाइन चेंज करवाई थी हमारी भूषण सर ने, और पोएट्री और पोएट्री और पोएट्री। हमारे कहा ठीक है सर।
Right. चांद आसमानों से लापता हो गया, चल के मेरे घर में आ गया, आ गया। मैं कभी
I'm sure you can give us some time, little. You all will get. Okay. Before I move further, I need to say this. Please, Bipasha, Basu, if I were a man, will you marry me? Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
You're so hot, she became a man for you.
No, it's strange. I got proposed by a woman. Yeah, I don't know how to react.
See, you're so hot, she became a man for you. Wow.
Well, आप दोनों के लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारे questions हैं.
पूछे
You
पूछे.
okay with it?
कुछ प्राइज मिलेगा उसके बाद?
Of course.
Okay, ठीक है.
Freebies.
Sorry?
Freebies. I've got
Freebies?
freebies
Okay.
for you.
Oh, okay.
Well, this question is for both of you. आप जैसे कि हमने दोनों गाने देखे हैं, कतरा and Avara, and it has been shot in some beautiful locations of Kerala.
Yeah.
So, what was your experience while the song were being shot? How about you?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming here. And, I want to thank firstly, I would like to thank all the composers and all the singers for adding so much to our film, so much to our characters as Kabir and Sanjana, and definitely the entire team. Coming back to your question, Kerala is like a character in our film. It kind of adds the soul, Generally, horror films are shot mostly in hill stations. And I really like the choice of Bhushan Patel that he decided to shoot in Kerala, because it just adds so much to the film. The backwaters, and especially when we shot the song, we got hills, we got backwaters, we got...
We were in Switzerland also.
Yeah, you saw Avara, we
yeah.
got every kind of possible location in Kerala. It's one of the most stunning places, and I also realized why my sister and brother-in-law went for the honeymoon out there after shooting Katra. So it's a great honeymoon destination. Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Karan Singh Grover?
How about me?
What do you think about
How was your
Kerala?
experience? What was your experience?
First, I just like to say thank you to everyone involved in this film. It's probably I'm only one of the few people whose first film this is in this whole team, and I'm just happy that I was given this opportunity, and I hope I can live up to everyone's expectations. Yeah. So yeah, it's there are so many beautiful locations that we shot at, and everything, just the song and the environment and the energy on the set, everything kind of merged together.
With the flow.
With the flow and everything, it felt like everything happens for a reason and everything is in place. It's like a dominoes effect, when it comes together. So that was quite surreal for me.
Absolutely. Well, coming back to you, Karan Singh Grover, This question is for you only. Well, because it's your first debut film and it is opposite the very stunning diva who I proposed right now.
Stop it, you're scaring me.
So excited.
happy.
So excited.
You know, Bhushan, you didn't give him proper instructions. He was not supposed to jump on stage. Yeah.
So I would like to
Edit it, please.
So I would like to ask, were you mesmerized by her beauty while shooting? Were you
I was
distracted?
Absolutely mesmerized, absolutely in awe of her. when I was
Skeptical,
shooting her.
nervous on the first
Very,
day?
very nervous, hands
Wow.
are sweaty, and the mic is really loud.
Go on. Finish
Yeah,
it with
I was
all
very,
of
very,
it.
very nervous.
All of it, yeah.
Very, very nervous.
Sorry about the mic.
Sorry, it's not my fault.
Just a moment, just a moment. Okay, this is again for both of you. Tell us about some very fun moments on the shoot. You've wrapped up with your shoot, right?
Well, the first day is always getting to know the
because
entire
I
unit.
know that he is a big prankster. We've heard.
Well,
Really?
I don't know about the pranks, but he's like full of life. Yeah, he brings a lot of energy to the sets. The first day was very, you know, even though I have done like 60 odd films, I still get scared on my first day, and it's just like getting to know the entire team and everything. But I have to say, from day one, Bhushan, me, and Karan became a trio. We kind of, you know, were in sync to everything. And second day onwards, they started pulling my leg on everything that I did. So
not second day onwards.
yeah, almost second day because
Till
it
the
was
second
just.
day, you didn't even recognize us.
Oh, don't lie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
You couldn't see us
But that's
till the
because.
third day. Then you realize, oh, acha.
But
oh,
please tell them the
these are
reason.
guys I'm with.
Please tell them the reason.
She's absolutely blind, my friends.
Yeah.
She's absolutely blind.
Little bit because of my eyesight. You know, sometimes I would miss saying hi to Karan.
Yeah.
He would just pass by.
And I thought the previous day I made a good impression, so I was like, next day I'll walk in and she'll be like, she'll like me, but.
But yes,
She was
so
like,
we called Karan the relief on set whenever there was like it used to be very heavy because this film is emotionally very draining. At times it's very, you know, intense. So we used to call Karan on set even when he was not required, Bhushan and me. So he used to make us laugh, yeah.
That was
Very
fun.
lively.
Yeah.
Again, Karan Singh Grover.
Yeah.
I like the way she said
Yeah, I know.
Karan Singh
Karan
Grover.
Singh Grover.
Yeah, okay.
बोलिए बोलिए.
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये एक कंप्लेंट है हम सबकी तरफ से. I don't know, it's a doubt by everyone. सब लोग questions कर रहे हैं कि you know about the very sexy shirtless heart-throbbing you know six-pack abs. They're like photoshopped. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, ऐसा लोग कह रहे हैं.
कोई नहीं कह रहा ऐसा.
नहीं नहीं
आप कह रही
कह रहे
हैं.
हैं. There's a buzz.
You're putting words in their mouth.
No. There's a buzz around.
Yeah.
आपको
About
क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
क्या abs
Are
के
they
बारे में?
photoshopped? I mean, how would I know? I don't know.
Yeah, hey, come touch me.
Really?
Yeah, please,
Come.
please.
Come on.
How can I see it?
Touch it.
No, I cannot touch and see. Come on.
Okay, punch.
Yeah, punch me.
No,
As hard as you can.
punch.
You can do it. Give me a best shot. Come on.
No.
Come on.
I want to see. See from
I'll
my
show you.
own eyes.
I'll show you.
See with my own eyes.
See from.
My own eyes. Everyone wants to see out here.
आपको लगता है कि है सिक्स पैक है ना तो दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. नहीं है
नहीं है.
नहीं है यार दिखा दो चलो
Come on.
चलो.
Yes. Come on. Oh. One.
नहीं खुल रहा है. नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Oh, okay.
अच्छा है.
Yeah. Ladies. Why don't you join us? Come on. All the girls out here. You want to see yourself? Live. Come in touch.
एक वीडियो वाले के लिए.
Thank you. Sorry, Mom.
What do you have to say now?
You know what I have to say? Yes, he's a very fit guy, and we actually kind of made a song dedicated to Karan. Yeah, we kind of created, because he has got a lot of female fans and everybody is kind of, excited to see his six-pack. So we made a song, and I think you should introduce the song to everybody.
This song is the most grooviest song of this season 2014. And yes, coming here as well. Can we please play the song? More Than Katra? More Than Katra.
मुझको दी है आवाज जुल्फे मैंने खोल दी कर ले मुझको तू टच जरा slowly slowly feel me ऐसे अब मुझे ना सता I can take it no more I just wanna feel your body touch my body don't be shy my honey touch my body I just wanna feel my body touch my body don't be shy my honey touch my body hey, hey, hey.
Sexy, super sexy. And lastly, Mr. Bhushan, tell us your experience.
एक्सपीरियंस जो है पहले तो भूषण पटेल जी की पहली फिल्म जो रागनी है इसमें मैंने बेबी डॉल लिखा.
But the secret is yet to be told to me and everyone else.
You want more secrets? Love yourself. Love yourself. Go work out. Lead a disciplined life. Say no to vices. Sleep 8 hours a day. And the regular that all our mothers have told us. So follow that and you'll look awesome.
Now go do that.
Absolutely.
All of that.
Next question is for you, Mr. Abhishek. Which was your favorite track from the movie?
That's a difficult question actually. When we
they're all sitting here.
We have talent like Ankit, Jeet Dada, Raghav and Mithun. I think it's a very difficult question you're asking me.
Thank you for that.
You know what? I would like to actually say something here. I'm sorry. All of us have been, everyone's loved the songs and everyone has.
Well, I'll get back to you. No. I need to get back to him. Come on. The last question. Last question.
We have.
थैंक यू बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. अभी आ रहा हूँ उस पे आ रहा. म्यूजिक इस फिल्म की जान है. अंकित, दादा, मिठुन दा, राघव सब ने अपनी तरफ से बहुत ही बढ़िया काम किया है और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले कुछ दिनों में ये जो इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक है सबके मुंह पे हो जाएगा और सब लोग इसको लाइक करेंगे.
For this?
Sorry?
No, I'm not falling for this. I enjoyed each song equally.
Okay, except
I
the
love
one,
them equally,
Katra.
unconditionally.
Except Katra.
Oh.
Except Katra.
No, Don't Be Shy was also one. All songs.
All songs biased.
Yeah, all of them. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think the most fun for him would be Avara because he dropped me in the water. Because he's a water baby and he wanted to sit on the jet ski and he was going crazy that he wanted to sit on it. And though I was scared and he said he won't drop me, he dropped me.
It's a mistake. Honest
but he
mistake.
saved me also.
Yeah.
I would also like to invite Mr. Zakir Hussain.
हेलो. अच्छा 2 बार करेंगे, एक बार कैमरा के लिए और एक बार फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए. 2 बार करेंगे.
Can we hear for the great success of the music?
वो एक्चुअली